Councilmember Foley, and all of our leadership for being here today.
President
and in
of
true
49ers.
Bay Area Unite fashion, and my brethren, Jonathan, we are also going to donate $10,000 to the cause. I stand here professionally wearing this badge as the 49ers, as your football team. I also stand here personally as a son to a mother-in-law, a wife, and daughters. Fearful to go out in the community. Since this pandemic started, there's been over 3,000 reported hate crimes against AAPI folks. This must stop.
Right.
This must stop for everyone here. This must stop for my mother, my wife, and my daughters.
Yes.
Thank you all so very much for having me.